Hello guys, what's up? I'm back here for you, and today I will show you the best way to earn $2,900 by signing up to this free e-commerce website. E-commerce is really great, guys. It's the most easiest way to make yourself thousands of dollars. I'm gonna show you my proof, and remember, this is completely free to use because there are no investments here, none. And this literally takes 5 to 10 minutes to do to set this up, and then you're ready. Just make sure to follow each and every step. They are closely related. So pay attention because in the end, that's all you need. Stick with me and you'll earn money. I'm here to help you with some guidance, and as always, please like the video and make sure you subscribe. That way you will be with me whenever I find some new methods for making money online. This is your money machine, and now let's go to step number 1.
Guys, if you're watching this, you have to know that we are running a brand new giveaway on the channel. We're giving away the new iPhone 11 Pro Max or the new MacBook Pro. The choice is yours. All you have to do is watch the full video, hit the like, comment the key hidden in the video, and make sure you subscribe. It is that simple.
So in this brand new video today, I'm going to show you how you can build your own e-commerce empire and earn $2,900, guys. You're going to learn to build your own e-commerce empire completely for free, without spending money on domains, without spending money on hosting, no website fees, no paying for products, no upkeep, and no running costs either. We're not gonna go and use Shopify. Shopify is $20 a month, and we can save that money. We're not going to use Wix as well. We're going to save that money as well because it's also around $50 a month. It's a waste of money. I'm going to show you a couple of platforms where we can use and build our e-commerce empire that has a free domain, free hosting, free everything. So what I want you guys for the step number 1, I want you to go to woocommerce.com. And maybe you heard about WooCommerce, maybe if you dabbled with WordPress, you probably heard about it. And this is a website where you can make yourself a e-commerce business. You can't pay for that, but I found a way that you can do it for free, guys. So all you have to do for a start is to click on Start a New Store over here, and then you will just have to complete this by entering your email, choosing your username and password, and create your account here. Once you log in, you will have to answer this. Who is this site for? Just click on this site is for me. What industry are you in? So you can choose which industry you want to take a part in. For example, let's go to electronic and computers. Click continue. So what types of products will you sell? Now you can click on physical and digital products. Click on continue. How will customers pay for their purchases? Click on one-time payment. Now how would you like to install WooCommerce? Just click on get WooCommerce pre-installed, and here you can see that they ask us to pay some money. But now, here's the deal. I'm going to show you a website where you can do this for free. So for the next step, I want you to go on freehosting.com. As you can see here, you have free web hosting, paid web hosting, and domain registration. Click on free web hosting, learn more, and over here, just click on sign up for free. And in here, you will just register a new domain. So you want to choose whatever you wish. So you can choose like e-commerce website with your name. Just don't do it like that, of course. And in here, you will choose a domain which is not so popular. You know, it won't be .com, but at least it will be free to use. So you can do like, I don't know, markets. There's markets. That's a good domain. And right now what you need to do is you need to click on this. Transfer your domain from another registrar. Now do the same thing, e-commerce, and your name, of course, in there, and choose markets over here if you can find it again, because there are a lot of these, you can see, you can choose whichever one you want. Alternatively, you can go to freenom.com, and here you can find yourself a domain. So just here type in the name of your business, for example, I don't know, freenom.testing.markets. Check availability, and you can see this is not available, but here you can see what is available. So .tk is available. You can select that and you're done. And now once you have your domain, you can go back to WooCommerce, click here on sell, click on WooCommerce, and here you can start your store. You will have explanation down there, a tutorial on how to set up your store in the best possible way, but you don't need to watch that right now because I will show you what's needed for you to get many sales. This is the perfect strategy, so stay with me and you'll be really, really profitable, guys. So what I want you to do is go on googletrends.com, and here you will type in something like very, very popular. Very popular keyword is what we need. So for example, these days it's Squid Game. So just click on that Squid Game, enter, and here you will see that Squid Game in September wasn't searched at all. It was less than 1. But now look at this. It's 100. So this scales from 0 to 100, and 100 is the best one. So you can see that Squid Game is top notch. It's the show that has been watched the most on Netflix, and we need something like that, something that generates a lot of traffic, because we can profit off of that. And the next thing that you want to do is go to Amazon.com, and here just type in Squid Game. Just type that and see what it goes. And here you can see there is this puppet. There are these masks of those workers. There are t-shirts. There are some keychains as well. So there is a lot of products which are related to Squid Game. Now what I want you to do is to go here, click on this one for example, and now just copy this name into your clipboard so you can use it on your WooCommerce store. And then you will paste that name in your WooCommerce business store. And if the price here is $12, for example, now I suggest that you put like $17, $18, or $20 at most, because 30 to 50% is a good markup. You don't want to overdo it because it's not gonna be reasonable. Just put it like 30 to 50%. That's a great markup, trust me. And guys, it is totally easy. Everyone can do this without any experience and without any money to invest in. As you can see, reviews from Trustpilot are great. There is 4.8 rating, and these guys are very satisfied with the app, with the plugin, with the sellings. They are happy with everything related to WooCommerce. And why wouldn't they? Because every fool can do this. Even I can do this stuff and get some money for myself, because it is totally free and totally beginner friendly. Everyone can do this. You just have to invest some of your free time and take some action in everything you do. You just have to follow these steps and set this up once, and you're gonna be profitable. And it's good to follow these trends, you know. There are a lot of trends. Every month, new trend is coming up, and you need to take some time in order to do research for it, you know. You just have to invest some of your time into research, and then you will transform that research into money. Because nothing is gonna fall out of the sky, guys. You have to invest some of your time, you have to work on it, and then you will get some money for yourself. Trust me. And as far as these trends go, they come and go. They will change every month, and all you have to do is to follow them and take advantage of them. It's not hard. It's really not hard. You just have to take some time in order to understand it all. But one more thing you can do is you can type in something related to Halloween, for example, or you can go with Christmas, because Christmas is coming soon and that's gonna be trending. So look for keywords which are trending, and you will get more sales, and of course, you will get more money. So that's a way in which you can make yourself $2,900, guys, completely free. Completely free money for everyone, guys. Everyone who takes some action and everyone who takes some time to set this up correctly. Now, as you were able to see, it is totally free. You don't have to invest anything in this, and anyone can do this. All you have to do is to follow my steps. I have shown you how to do it. Now just go out there and make some money for yourself. So good luck, guys. Thank you for watching. This is your money machine, and I'll catch you guys later.